Hi, I'm Joshua, and today I'm here to share with you about my engineering science program journey so far. So a little background about myself. I'm actually from Singapore Polytechnic, and I graduated with a diploma in civil engineering with business. And I'm currently a year 2 student in the engineering science program with doing a second major in physics. So outside of the curriculum, I do a bit of sports like NUS calisthenics, and I'm also in the 19th student wing for the engineering science program, where I'm the current vice president there. So why did I make the jump from civil engineering to engineering science program? It's because ESP offers a tight-knit cohort and a more personalized style of education where each class size is about 40 people, and so you can freely interact with your peers and your professors. It also offers a perfect blend of theory and practical knowledge through its design projects. Each design project is very unique in a sense that it will usually be in a different area of engineering. So in the slide there, for the first project, it's actually a scanning tunneling microscope, and the second project is a line following robot built using two different concepts, one based on quantum mechanics, the second based on control engineering. Last summer, I also went on a summer school exchange at Zhengzhou University in China, and it's also here where I met a lot of new friends and got to experience the Chinese way of education and also learning about their rich culture. I'm really thankful to CDE for providing all these experiences and all these opportunities to go overseas for exchange. So outside of school, I've taken part in various projects, namely Project Packback, in the DBS and NEA Hungry for Change Challenge 2023. This challenge aims to start social enterprises with the goals of improving Singapore's sustainable development. And in this challenge, our team managed to emerge as a finalist. And in the upcoming summer, 2025, I have an internship project with A-Star, where I'll be working in their Quantum Innovation Center to work on a project that helps improve transistors at a very, very small level. To find out more about the engineering science program, please scan the QR code on the top. And to find out more about other programs in CDE, please scan the QR code at the bottom. Thank you.